All right, we got our thumbs up. Let's get ready to start qualification match number 22. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 22. We've got Team 27 Rush going into the trench run to pick up some extra balls, while 1684 fires some shots into the high goal. Rush fires all those balls into the outer port, while 1684 looks to fire some more. At the end of the autonomous period, our score is 55-29. Blue Alliance ahead. Team number 2960, Automation Nation, they are picking up some power cells in the blue trench run. While Team 6861, that is the Tyros team, is blazing down the field in their TIE Fighter-shaped robot with some power cells going to that lower port like they like to do. Team number 1684 just drops off a few power cells into that outer port. Team number 245, that is the Atobots, looking to be spinning up to shoot, but it looks like they're having a little bit of a jam here. Team number 2960 is driving down the field, raises their shooter, turns around, does a little hop, skip, and a jam. They're going to spin up and shoot. One. They make 1 out of 3, but it's okay, because 1684 comes in right behind them and drops some more in. 6861 is at the red feeder station, picking up some power cells. Now going to head over and drop those in. Well, 3656 just going so methodical. Shoot 1, shoot 2, and they fire them in. 1684, the Chimeras, drops another load in, while their partners, 2960, following right behind them. With about 45 seconds left in the match, we got blue up 72-42. As team number 3656, the Dreadbots, are over at the blue goal, picking up some of the power cells that the Blue Alliance has left behind. They get out of there just in time before they might have gotten shoved into the target zone. 1684 just drops off some more. They say thank you very much. 30 seconds left in the match. Teams are going to be lining up to climb. Looks like the whole Blue Alliance is going to attempt to climb. Well, the Red Alliance, except for Team 3656, is going to try. Looks like teams 68, 61, and 27 are up. And it looks like the Blue Alliance is going to get up. The whole Blue Alliance. As time expires. Real-time scoring has the match at 104-44. We will see how it actually turns out.
All right, let's meet the teams in qualification match number 23. Starting us off over here on the red side, it's team 5460.
Strike zone.
Over here in the middle, it's team 2604.
Metal and Soul.
And over here, it's Hall of Fame team 51.
Wings of Fire.
Over here on the other side, it's 4130.
It's the Blue Devils.
In the middle here, they're on a different frequency. It's team 3572.
That's Wavelength.
And over here, rounding out the alliance, it's 5907.
It's the CC Shambots.
Well, we're still working on the score of that last match there, but I just want to give you guys a quick reminder. Your last chance to draw for a t-shirt ends at 2. So get your forms over at the Kettering table over there. If you want a free t-shirt, you can submit something by 2, and you'll still be considered. All right. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 23 here at Kettering Kickoff, day 1. Team number 4130, that is the Blue Devils, fires off 3 shots into the high goal, while 3572, that is Wavelength. They fire their shots, and as well as 2 additional balls from the trench run. Teleoperated period has started, as teams are going to try to score more points. Team number 5460, that is Strike Zone, is lining up. Oh, and they fire one really high into the air. While Team 51, that is Wings of Fire, collects some power cells from the feeder station. 5460 drains some. 4130 drops some power cells into the outer port and then drives to go pick up some more. 51 and 5460 are both like, hello, friend, I will score with you. 2604 looks to be trying to shoot long range, while team at 5907 is dropping some power cells into that bottom port. 5460 drops a few into that outer port, and I think a few go into that inner port. Team number 51, that is Wings of Fire, blazes through that trench run, goes around, tries to go around 5460. They drop one. One shot into that high goal. Team number 4130 has picked up a power cell. Looks like they're going to go back to their feeder station to grab some more. As team at 2604 is driving around on the blue side of the field, while 51 goes to get some more from the loading station. Team number 3572, Wavelength. They are lining up to shoot. They put one in. As 4130 puts 1, 2, 3, 4 into that outer port. 5460 puts 2 in. 17 seconds left in the match. Red is up 121 to 73 at the moment, as it looks like 2 robots from both alliances are going to try to climb. 51 looks to be hooked on. 3572 and 4130 are both going up. Oh, but 5460 is fallen off. We will see how the final score comes out, but it looks like it is 1 up on red and 2 up on blue. All right, we have our scores from that match.
Maybe?
We have our scores. And it's the Red Alliance taking that one by a score of 151 to 126.
Wow, what a match. And let's transition into qualification match number 24. Leading us off over here on the Red Alliance, it's Team 8332.
Alternate reality.
Over here in the middle, it's hard to tell, but I think it's 2949.
That's Potage B Team.
And rounding out the alliance, it's Team 67.
It's the Hot Team.
Coming over here to the blue side, it looks like we have Team 7501.
It's the Golden Gears.
And over here in the middle, one of our host teams, it's 1506.
Metal Muscle.
And rounding us out, they're Rising Stars, it's Team 7211.
Hollywood.
All right, we got thumbs up and a green. Okay, hold on. Thumbs are up. Okay, now we're good. All right, we got thumbs up and a green light. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 24. Teams are just going to move off that initiation line. Well, 67 goes to pick up some more power cells after draining their first 3. They line up. Fire off 1, 2, 3. They all are just a bit right. As our teleoperated portion begins, our score is 43 to 14. Team number 1506 is in that rendezvous, battling with Team 2949 for power cells. As Team 7211 tries to and 7501 try to deal with the defense of 8332. 8332 seems to be playing a lot of defense today. Well, 1506 fires off their shots. Team number 2949, that is our Potage B team. They pick up some power cells from the feeder station, and they are going to go drive down the field to go and try and score them in the outer port. Well, 67 drops some in. 1506, Metal Muscle. They're lining up. That's 1, 2, 3. That's good. We're about halfway through the match here. Our score is 70 red, 28 blue. 7501 is getting pummeled by the defense of 8332 alternate reality. 8332 has that blocker up, which is going to make it hard for a team like 1506 to score as they just fire the power cells into their blocker to demonstrate that. Team number 67, that is the hot team. It's picking up some power cells and is going to go try and score them in the outer port from the target zone. That's 1, 2. Well, 2949 follows right behind them and scores some more. We are approaching our endgame period here now, and it seems like 8332 did a phenomenal job at stifling the opposition with their defense. It looks like teams are lining up to climb, but we're going to see who gets up. 1506 is hooking on. well, Team 67, all three of Red Alliance look to be hooked on. We'll see how if they do stay on. Ooh, alternate reality. Oh, they're all on. 3 seconds left. Red is all up. We'll see if blue gets up or if it's just will be 15:06 as time expires. Real-time score has a score at 97-28. You'll see if that holds. And we have our scores from that match. And the Red Alliance wins with a score of 172-63. The Red Alliance gets 3 ranking points from that match.
All right, I'm happy to announce 3 more t-shirt winners. One of our lucky winners is team 3534, the House of Cards. Caden Tucker, go get your t-shirt down at the table over there. Congratulations. And we got another winner from 5167. So Austin Ferrier, if you could please go get your shirt down over there, that'd be great. Congratulations. And we have a winner from 5114 from Titanium Tigers, Zach Cook. If you could go get your t-shirt down over there, where all the Kettering banners are as well, congratulations on winning your t-shirt. Now, let's get into qualification match number 25. Let's meet these teams. Starting us off, it's team 7660.
It's the Biting Irish.
And in the middle here, it's team 548.
That's the Robo-Stigs.
And here comes team 5843.
Blurb.
Over here on the blue side, it's 3322.
Eagle Imperium.
And in the middle, it's team 33.
It's the Killer Bees.
And over here, it's team 5050.
Cowtown Robotics.
All right, looks like we got some thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Getting this match started as Team 5050 drains 3 into the high goal as 33 drops them right behind them, and so does 3322. As the Red Alliance also has some power cells they're ready to score, as Flurb fires into the crowd. At the end of autonomous period, our score is 53 blue, 27 red, as teams are going to drive their robots and try to score more. Team number 5050 picking up some power cells, while 33 lines up their shooter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 are in that outer port. Team 5843 is lining up their shots over on the red side of the field. As 7660, the Biting Irish, looks to find their bearings. 548 looking to pick up some power cells. As 5050 drains them into the high goal. 33 looks to be cleaning up. Little over halfway through the match right here, and the score is 80-42 in Blue Alliance's favor. Team number 5050 has 5 more power cells. Looks like they only fired 3 though. 548 looks to be having a little bit of a rough time trying to pick up those power cells in the corner. As Team 5843 misses a little bit on trying to get the ball to the feeder station, 33 is just going to sneak up right behind them and clean those up. 5050 lining up right next to 33, as 3322 is also looking to do that. The Blue Alliance is just pummeling this high goal. About 40 seconds left, and the score is 123 blue, 54 red. "30 seconds left to go in the match. Teams are going to try and line up to climb. Looks like 33 is having a little bit of drive issues. It's Team 548 lines up to climb. Looks like the rest of the teams aren't really trying to climb right now. It's Flurb lines up to climb also. We'll see if Red can get off that climb with 8 seconds to go. Team 5050 is looking to climb. 548's up. Is Flurb going to get up in time? Looks like they did not get up in time. We will see how this match ends up, but it looks like the Blue Alliance did a very solid job at putting up some points here. And we have our scores from qualification match number 25. And the Blue Alliance takes this one by a score of 153-94. Looks like because they only got 2 ranking points in this match, 50-50 drops in the rankings despite winning this match. We'll see if that hurts them when it comes time for Alliance selection.
All right, we've finally gone back to match 22 and tabulated those scores, and let's see what the results are. It looks like it's going to be a Blue Alliance victory there. 179, new high score to 109. That was for qualification match number 22.